You know the feeling. You hop into a new car, and all you think is, they don't build them like this anymore. You're right. You're looking for a vehicle that can hit 300,000 miles, that avoids the headaches of complex electronics, and whose simple maintenance won't empty your savings. You want a dependable partner that gives you peace of mind, not an expensive lesson. In this video, we're giving you the 5 secret legends, the absolute best vehicles built in that sweet spot era when quality and reliability still came first. We used high-mileage owner reports and data from sites like Consumer Reports and J.D. Power to find the hidden gems that let you feel smart about your money. If you're afraid of buying a lemon or getting stuck with high repair bills, this list is your defense. Stay with us, because the #1 vehicle will surprise you with its sheer bulletproof reliability. Let's start our journey with a workhorse that often flies under the radar, the Chevrolet Malibu from 2010 to 2015. This car is perfect if your biggest fear is throwing money away on a bad purchase. We've seen high mileage reports and reliability scores that put the Malibu on par with many imports of the era. It gives you that genuine, proven durability that saves you money in the long run. The years to target are the 2010 through 2015 models. This generation fixed many of the issues from earlier versions. You are looking for the 4-cylinder engines, specifically the 2.4-liter or the slightly newer 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. The transmission is a reliable 6-speed automatic that won't give you headaches. This is simple, basic mechanics, the kind your local mechanic knows inside and out, which means cheaper labor and parts. The biggest strength of this Malibu is the ride quality. It's roomy, comfortable, and has that soft American ride your audience expects. It's a reliable commuter, and you can find great deals on high-mileage examples because they don't hold their value quite like a Toyota. That's good news for your wallet. Now, they aren't perfect. A minor issue that pops up is the power steering system. It's not always a mechanical failure, but sometimes the electronics tied to it can be fussy. Also, watch out for the air conditioning systems on some older examples. Make sure it blows ice cold on your test drive. In terms of cost, we looked at sites like RepairPal and found that the average annual maintenance cost for this generation is surprisingly low. As of 2025, you can expect to pay around $480 to $550 a year in routine maintenance, which is a big relief if you're worried about unexpected bills. If you want a reliable American-made family sedan that's already taken its biggest depreciation hit, the Malibu from 2010 to 2015 is a very smart, economical choice. Next up is a true tribute to American motoring tradition, the Buick Lucerne from 2006 to 2011. If your emotional pain points are complex technology and a hard, uncomfortable ride, the Lucerne is your sanctuary. It answers the desire for both peace of mind and a touch of that classic American luxury. We've seen many owners speak with pride about keeping these cars well past the 200,000-mile mark. The best years span its entire run, 2006 through 2011. Crucially, you want the proven, well-known GM powertrains. Look for the standard 3.8-liter V6 engine. This is one of the most respected engines in GM history, known as the 3800, famous for its simplicity and bank vault reliability. Later models also offered the 3.9-liter V6, which is also a strong choice, paired with a durable 4-speed automatic transmission. This is uncomplicated old-school engineering that delivers on longevity. The Lucerne's absolute greatest strength is comfort and tradition. It provides a whisper-quiet, smooth ride, the kind of comfortable experience that has become rare in modern cars. It's a smart choice that offers a premium feel without the premium price tag. But every legend has its quirks. 2 minor issues to watch for are the MagnaRide suspension system on the high-end CXL or CXS trims, stick to the base models to avoid this complexity, and minor problems with the headlight switch or electrical sensors in the dashboard. These are small, non-drivetrain fixes that don't drain the savings account. In terms of average annual maintenance cost, the Lucerne is a winner. Based on common maintenance needs for cars with the 3.8-liter engine, owners typically spend less than $500 a year on routine care. This makes it a great deal if you want to save money and drive a dependable car. It's a traditional luxury choice that delivers real long-term value. Let's move from classic sedan comfort to something with more utility. The Ford Edge crossover from 2011 to 2014. For many of you, the thought of a modern SUV brings anxiety about expensive computer modules and turbo engines. The Edge, in its sweet spot years, offers a solution to that emotional pain by providing the high driving position and utility you want, paired with proven, simple Ford durability. It's an easy-to-maintain choice that helps you feel smart about your money. The models to look for are from 2011 to 2014, specifically those equipped with the reliable 3.5-liter V6 Duratec engine. This V6 is widely known among mechanics and doesn't rely on complex turbos that can fail later on. It uses a robust 6-speed automatic transmission, which offers solid, drama-free performance for years. This is the definition of a dependable partner. The main strength of this Edge is the balance between utility and simplicity. It's large enough to be practical, but the V6 engine is reliable and powerful enough for long highway drives. Ford sold millions of these, meaning parts are cheap and readily available at any auto shop. However, even solid vehicles have minor issues. The main thing to watch out for is the water pump on the 3.5-liter V6. It is driven by the timing chain and can be expensive to replace if not addressed during routine maintenance. Also, check the functionality of the MyFord Touch infotainment system on higher trims, as the early versions can be glitchy. But that's an electronics issue, not a drivetrain failure. When it comes to the cost of ownership, the Edge is very favorable. Due to the simple V6 engine and widespread parts availability, the average annual maintenance cost is competitive. Expect routine maintenance to run between $550 and $650 annually, making it a sound long-term investment. The Ford Edge from this era is an intelligent choice, a solid American crossover that delivers reliability without the risk of an expensive financial trap. Before we finish with the final two legends on our list, a quick request. If this video has already given you the peace of mind you need for your next purchase, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your engagement proves that searching for these never-die cars is a mission worth pursuing. More importantly, tell us in the comments, what's the most durable vehicle you've ever owned? Your high-mileage story could be the final proof someone else needs to feel smart about their money. Our next legend offers maximum utility for minimum money. The American minivans, the Dodge Grand Caravan and Chrysler Town and Country, covering the 2008 through 2015 models. If your core pain point is needing serious utility, whether for carrying the grandkids, hauling DIY supplies, or even just peace of mind for road trips, but you fear complex, expensive European vans, these are your answer. They fulfill the desire for high utility paired with traditional American V6 engineering. This generation is often available at low prices, representing a highly intelligent purchase that saves you money twice, on the purchase price and on future maintenance. When looking at this generation, you're primarily hunting for the different V6 engines used. The earlier, simpler 3.8-liter V6 or 4.0-liter V6, and the later, more powerful 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. The Pentastar is key here. It's considered a very robust and durable engine, respected for its longevity when properly maintained. You get power and peace of mind. The absolute greatest strength of these vans is the stow-and-go seating system. Its unmatched utility. You can fold all the rear seats flat into the floor in minutes, turning your passenger vehicle into a cargo van. This is practical innovation that truly respects your need for easy versatility. As for minor issues, the primary mechanical concern in this generation is the automatic transmission, which needs strict, regular fluid changes to reach high mileage. Skimping on that maintenance will cost you. Electrically, watch for issues with the power sliding doors, as the motor and track can fail over time, but those are generally simple, if annoying, fixes. Regarding average annual maintenance costs, these vans benefit from mass production and common components. You can expect annual routine maintenance costs to range from $580 to $680 on average. For the sheer amount of reliable utility you get, the Grand Caravan and Town & Country are fantastic American choices. We finish our list with a model that surprised everyone by delivering power and reliability where its predecessor failed. The Chrysler 200 First Generation, covering models from 2011 to 2014. If your pain is the memory of past Chrysler problems, the fear of a lemon, this car offers a genuine turnaround story and a way to feel smart about your purchase. It's often available at a lower price point than the competition, letting you save money up front on a proven mechanical setup. The key to this vehicle is the engine choice. You must look for the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. This V6 engine is highly respected across the industry for its durability and longevity when properly maintained. It provides a class-leading 283 horsepower, delivering a smooth, quiet, and powerful American ride that the audience expects. The 200's greatest strength is the driving experience and the interior quality upgrade over the old Sebring. Chrysler engineers did a commendable job preserving a soft, quiet American ride quality. It feels far more premium than its price suggests, appealing to the desire for tradition and comfort. As for minor issues, watch out for the 6-speed automatic transmission if the fluid hasn't been routinely serviced, as this can lead to hesitation. Also, the passenger seat lacks height adjustment, which is a minor inconvenience but doesn't affect long-term reliability. In terms of cost, the simple engine design and mass production mean parts are widely available. Due to its affordability, the V6 200 represents an excellent value, and average annual routine maintenance is competitive, typically ranging between $500 and $600. This car is a dependable, cost-effective partner for many miles to come, and that's the beauty of the used car market. With the right knowledge, you prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to drive a reliable, practical vehicle that's built to last. Remember, the smartest buyers are the ones who do the research and pick cars that stand the test of time. We hope this list gives you the confidence and peace of mind for your next purchase. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive smart, drive for many miles.